Oh man, what a nice day. What is that? I was expressing how good a day this is. I don't care. Does anyone want to see me turn real? Me. Alright, yeah.
Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox with a little bit of yeah.
Why is he looking at us like that? Alright, stay still. Yes! Insert brain rot. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my god, just kiss already. Oh, hey line. Wait, what are you doing? Hey! 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 Huh? Hey.